Hey, finally the hands-on look is here. You're looking at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra at its full glory. I have seen this coming. This is not a dummy model or anything. It's an actual working unit like the one you will find in a store, the one that Samsung will reveal on stage in front of the whole world, probably online on the August 5th. Now these hands-on images are coming courtesy of Jimmy. So big shout out for that, and review some exciting details, especially with the front of the phone, as he provided this side-by-side look of the Note 20 Ultra versus the Galaxy Note 10 Plus from last year, and we have some interesting changes here. First up, not only the bezels are now smaller and narrower, but we also have a more curved display, and Samsung has somehow managed to shrink the punch hole even more, which is amazing because now we are getting to a point where eventually the punch hole or the camera will be inside the display completely, hidden most likely with the Galaxy S21. Now with the size of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it is said to be a bit more squarish, as well as keeping that Note look. As always, Note phones, they have their own shapes different from the rounded look of the S lineup. I really do like this phone. As for the back, well, this is a black color, and I gotta say this color doesn't do it all. That doesn't do all the justice to the beauty of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, as we have seen with other colors such as green and especially that copper color, which I absolutely love. So here is the camera bump. In real life, once again, it's a lot better than the one we have seen on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It is a bit smaller in size. It's not as wide as S20 Ultra, and it looks better because it has color coordinated rings, to which, as you can see with the black model, they're kind of silverish. They are reflecting the light. It definitely shows up a bit correcter design that Samsung Kimberly missed on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Definitely way better. Of course, we have color coordinated S Pen with the black Galaxy Note Ultra. As for the buttons, Samsung has finally moved the keys to the right hand side. Both the power and the volume rocker is towards the right hand side compared to the left that we have seen on the Galaxy Note 10, and there is also a shift to the S Pen position. It's now towards the left hand side, and on the right hand side we are gonna see the speaker grill. Also, Jimmy has revealed that the Galaxy Note 20 devices will come with One UI IQ.5 on board. It's going to be based on Android 10, so I'm really excited to see what Samsung has brought new in the new versions. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 on the Ultra in its full glory. This is what you are gonna see on the August the 5th. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. In my opinion, Samsung has done a great job. It will have 120 years display camera. It completely fixed, and it's gonna come with the best power right out of the box. And of course, most importantly, there will be a Exodus 992 chip inside of the international models, which is a bit promising. I feel like it will be able to match scenario and age 65 plus. Hopefully, if Samsung is indeed planning this, then we are most likely going to see this announced in a couple of days.